Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Kali Linux is an indispensable tool. This Debian-based operating system is specifically designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking. It comes preloaded with a vast array of tools, including Metasploit, Nmap, and Wireshark, making it a one-stop shop for security professionals. But why is Kali Linux so popular among security enthusiasts and professionals? It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for various security tasks, such as vulnerability analysis, network scanning, and yes, even simulating phishing attacks. Its open-source nature allows users to modify and distribute the software freely. Additionally, the Kali community is vast and active, providing ample support and resources for users of all levels. Among the many tools at your disposal within Kali Linux, Zphisher stands out as a particularly potent weapon in your phishing arsenal. This open-source framework simplifies the process of crafting and launching convincing phishing campaigns. Think of it as your all-in-one toolkit for crafting realistic phishing pages that are almost indistinguishable from their legitimate counterparts. What sets Zphisher apart is its user-friendly interface and extensive template library. Whether you're a seasoned penetration tester or a curious beginner, Zphisher provides a streamlined approach to creating effective phishing campaigns. Its intuitive design allows you to focus on crafting the perfect lure without getting bogged down in complex configurations. Plus, its constantly updated template library ensures you can keep pace with the ever-evolving tactics of real-world phishing attacks. Before you can start crafting your phishing masterpieces, you'll need to set the stage by downloading and installing Zphisher on your Kali Linux machine. Zphisher is a powerful tool designed for phishing attacks, and having it properly installed is crucial for your cybersecurity toolkit. Fortunately, the process is as straightforward as using any other Linux package manager. Even if you're new to Linux, you'll find the steps quite manageable. Open your terminal and execute a few simple commands to download and install Zphisher. The terminal is your gateway to managing software on Linux, and mastering it will make your life much easier. First, update your system's package list to ensure you're downloading the latest version of Zphisher. This step is essential to avoid any compatibility issues or bugs that might have been fixed in recent updates. Then, use the git clone command to download the Zphisher repository from GitHub. This command fetches the entire repository, including all the files and scripts you'll need. Once the download is complete, navigate to the Zphisher directory and run the installation script using bash zphisher.sh. This script will set up everything for you, making the installation process seamless. Follow the on-screen prompts and Zphisher will be ready to use. The prompts will guide you through the final steps, ensuring that everything is configured correctly. Remember, installing tools like Zphisher should always be done in a controlled environment, preferably a virtual machine, to prevent any accidental damage to your primary operating system. This practice not only safeguards your main system, but also allows you to experiment freely without any risks. With Zphisher successfully installed, it's time to prepare your phishing campaign. This is where the real fun begins, as you get to tailor your attack to your specific needs and targets. This is where you'll don your creative hat and configure the tool to suit your specific objectives. Think about who your target is and what kind of information you want to extract from them. Launch Zphisher, and you'll be greeted by an intuitive menu-driven interface. This interface is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who are new to phishing. Select the type of phishing attack you want to perform, such as credential harvesting or malware delivery. Each option has its own set of configurations and requirements. Then, choose a template that aligns with your target and customize it to make it more convincing. The more personalized and realistic your template, the higher the chances of success. For instance, if you're targeting users of a particular social media platform, select the corresponding template and modify the logos, colors, and text to match the platform's design. This attention to detail can make your phishing attempt much more believable. The key is to make your phishing page look as authentic as possible to increase your chances of success. Pay close attention to the small details that can make or break your campaign. Don't forget to set up a listener to capture the stolen data once a victim falls for your bait. This is a crucial step to ensure you can collect the information you are after. Zphisher offers various options for collecting credentials, so choose the one that best suits your attack scenario. Whether you are looking to gather login details, personal information, or other sensitive data, Zphisher has you covered. The moment of truth has arrived. It's time to unleash your carefully crafted phishing campaign upon the world. With Zphisher, launching the attack is as simple as selecting the Run option from the main menu. The tool will then generate a unique phishing link that you can distribute through various channels, such as email, social media, or even SMS. However, remember that simply sending out a phishing link isn't enough. You need to make it enticing for users to click on it. This is where social engineering comes into play. Craft a compelling message that creates a sense of urgency or curiosity, prompting users to click the link without hesitation. As you delve deeper into the world of ethical hacking and phishing simulations, it's crucial to prioritize safety and adhere to ethical guidelines. Remember, even though you're conducting these attacks for educational or testing purposes, the tools and techniques you're using can be misused with malicious intent. Always obtain explicit permission before running any security tests on systems or networks that you do not own. Use a virtual machine to isolate your phishing activities from your main operating system. Avoid using real email addresses or personal information when crafting phishing messages. And most importantly, never disclose any information obtained during a phishing simulation without proper authorization. Mastering phishing with Zphisher on Kali Linux isn't just about learning how to use a tool. It's about understanding the psychology behind phishing attacks and developing the skills to protect yourself and others from falling victim to them. Remember that knowledge is power, and in the wrong hands, it can be used for malicious purposes. As you continue your journey into the world of cybersecurity, always prioritize ethical considerations. Use your newfound knowledge for good, helping others understand the importance of online security and promoting responsible practices to mitigate the risks of phishing attacks. In the real world, phishing simulations are a crucial part of cybersecurity training for organizations. By mimicking the tactics used by cybercriminals, companies can educate their employees on recognizing and responding to phishing attempts. For example, a company might send out a simulated phishing email to test how many employees click on a suspicious link. The results of these simulations can highlight areas where additional training is needed and help build a culture of vigilance against cyber threats. Additionally, cybersecurity professionals use tools like Zphisher to conduct penetration testing for clients. This involves assessing the security of an organization's systems by attempting to exploit vulnerabilities in a controlled and ethical manner. The insights gained from these tests can be invaluable in fortifying an organization's defenses against real-world attacks. By understanding and applying these real-world applications of phishing simulations, you can see how the skills and knowledge you've gained can be used to make a tangible difference in the field of cybersecurity. Ethical hacking plays a vital role in today's digital landscape. By simulating real-world attacks, security professionals can identify vulnerabilities before malicious actors exploit them. Tools like Zphisher, when used responsibly, can help organizations strengthen their security posture and protect sensitive information from falling into the wrong hands. Remember, the goal of ethical hacking is to improve security, not to cause harm. By adhering to ethical guidelines and using your knowledge for good, you can contribute to making the digital world a safer place for everyone,